She said I don't know if they served her or not, but the sheriffs were supposed to serve her stalking information to kind of get ready for trial or for court dates. I don't know if they did because no one's telling me anything. So she meets me in the hallway. Remember, he already threatened me. If it ain't that, so she's picking up the anger. She goes, "Good morning," right? She gets downstairs and says, "Yeah, we'll see you next year." In other words, time to beat your ass next year because they think that January to March is that purge thing where everybody can kill everybody or fight. They're stupid. So that was her threat because he had already kind of said the same thing. We'll see next year. That was the threat. She's threatening me. No, she said, we'll see next year. In other words, between January and March, I don't think they're trying to kill me, but they're going to try and hurt me. So I'm going to say harassment or verbal threat. And you can take that lightly. I think I'm going to do a couple lawsuits because I didn't ask you to play God here. I told you what happened. And all you have to do is write a paper saying what I just said. I don't know why you're pondering. So if I end up dead, I'm going to make sure that I stated that I talked to this officer clearly and told him what was happening. And he kind of smirked like, stupid, that's nothing to write up.
I'm not shouting. I'm just trying to understand what took place.
Okay. Do you need to write it or just understand it? It's a threat. They've been threatening me. It's already several courts. She didn't say see you next year. She said we will see next year. In other words,
We will see next year.
good morning. And I said, praise the Lord. She said, we'll see next year. In other words, we're going to beat your ass. I knew that. I told you they've been threatening me. This is ongoing. There's court dates. They're in the system already. They're verbal assaults. They keep assaulting me, telling me what they're going to do. They're going to beat my ass. I did say that several times, yes. I'm saying yes. I'm answering your question. You said, were there previous? I said, yes.
Take those reports and get them.
I just told you I did, but they're continuing. So why am I not reporting that so when I go to court, I'll have it?
Well,
the court date is on the 4th. Well, I didn't ask you. It was the way it was said. Can you just give me a paper? Or do I call the sergeant as I usually do? Because everybody's... I didn't ask you to play God. I told you what happened.
I'm not playing God.
So just write it up. I mean, I'm telling you the lady is threatening. It's the way she said it. That's your opinion. You don't live where I live.
Go talk to the sergeant.
I want to talk to God. Because if it's your daughter and she's telling us people stuff that happened to her and someone smirks and goes, well, fuck you. I would pray. Okay? Because it can happen to anybody. Anywhere. Okay? No one's exempt. No one asks for that. I hope they do that to your wife or daughter. Just walk off. All right, so this is what happens a lot. You talk to these assholes at the police station about stuff and they walk away, playing God. Oh, it's nothing. No one's exempt from this. Nobody. Men, women, nobody. And I just told him what happened, and he goes, that wasn't a threat. It went to a report. That's fine. Tell him. I hope it's your daughter. And I hope they walk off from her when she's telling them something's going on, and they've already told her what's what. Yeah, and this is the third time at this police station that they've done that. And he said, go talk to the sergeant. Now, he's probably going to get the sergeant, but fuck him. I'm going to talk to God because, again, this can happen to anybody. Nobody's exempt from this stuff. Nobody asks for this stuff. And I hope they get the same treatment I got. I do. Because nobody has the right to disrespect you like that. It's okay. Like I said, we all gonna find ourselves in some situations. Now, just in case they stop me, I want to flip this around. Yep. MP 15678, car 7420. Looks familiar. Looks familiar. Nobody's exempt from this stuff. All the 10 minutes, they don't argue. It's fine. That's fine. I just play God. I told you what happened. That's all she said. All right.